Are you looking for that simple or easy pastry to prepare? Then I present to you this delicious ring donut. It was very easy to put together. I decided to share the recipe with you because you will love it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lina. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes, and you will love it here. Okay, yes, this was absolutely perfect. Just look at how soft, fluffy, and delicious it was. It was so nice. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to today's activity. I have with me here my butter, and it is salted. Okay, so that is half cup of butter. You can as well use your margarine if that is what you want, or you can decide to use unsalted butter, and it is perfectly okay. I'll go ahead and then add about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it very well. I did not add much sugar to it because I just don't want it to be very sweet. I did not prepare this for anyone, but I prepared this for the family and we don't want sugar. Okay, mix it very well and ensure that the sugar melts very well or dissolves very well before we proceed. I've added my half cup of powdered milk. You can as well add evaporated milk if that is what you want. Should you don't want the milk, it is perfectly okay and it will taste very good. Like I said earlier, I just don't want too much sugar, so I have to make sure it is rich for us to enjoy. I went ahead to add my milk, and that is whole milk, half cup of whole milk. Mix it very well and then we can proceed. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. I'll be very grateful if you like the video, you share to others, and then you leave me your comments in the comment section. I've added my all-purpose flour. You can as well use your soft flour, and that is perfectly okay. So I will add it to it bit by bit so that it will be very easy for me to mix. In all, we are going to use 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we can proceed. Or I will share with you the other ingredients we will be adding to our batter. Thank you so much. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos and you will love it there as well. If you want short videos, I made very detailed recipes that are under a minute or a minute duration recipe. Just follow us on all social media platforms and you will enjoy our recipes as well. We will continue mixing it till everything is well combined, and then I will share with you the next ingredients. So what we are going to add to it now is our eggs. Okay, I'll just proceed by adding 3 eggs and then we mix it. At this moment you can add evaporated milk if you have some, okay, but I am not going to add evaporated milk, so I will just add the rest of the eggs and then we can proceed. Now this is one of the eggs I've added. I'll continue and then add the extra 2 that we need and then we proceed. Remember that you have to maybe increase the sugar if you like it rich, just like how like the one on the roadside. Okay, but I don't want sugar, that is why I do not add too much sugar, but I added just 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Take your time, mix it very well to get that fluffy butter, and so that you can get that perfect donut we are looking for. Just look at that, absolutely good and perfect. You can as well make your dough thicker than this and you are good to go, or a bit watery than this and you are good to go. I've added the rest of the flour, and then a teaspoon of baking powder. You can as well use baking soda, but you have to reduce the quantity. Okay, the baking soda is always very harsh compared to the baking powder. So in case in the process of baking, or when you are baking and you don't have baking powder, you can use baking soda instead, but you have to reduce the quantity of baking powder that you always use. I don't know whether you get me. Yes, so now this is what we have. Just look at that, so perfect and then beautiful. I just love it. I'll go ahead and then add my vanilla. So I've added my vanilla. I'm just going to mix it. You can use any flavor of your choice. I usually prefer cinnamon. Okay, yes, but this, I'm preparing it for the little girl and she says she wants vanilla, so I just have to prepare it the way she wants it. Okay, you can as well use your banana, any flavor of your choice, pineapple, coconut, and you are good to go. Now we are done mixing everything. Our donut machine is ready here. I will just go ahead and then scoop some so that we can go ahead and then mold. Okay, and just look at that, absolutely good. So I'll show you how it turned out, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. If you are preparing this, you can as well add some banana to it. Okay, I have a recipe that I use banana for this, and I will be sharing it with you. Not only banana, I have so many recipes that I use some ingredients. Okay, I'll be sharing them with you, or so many ways I prepare this, and I'll be sharing them with you. So just stay with me and then do not go anywhere. I mean, not today, but click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon that says all, so that when I upload video you will get notification. Just look at that, fluffy, soft, and I just love how it looks. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Okay, and I'm very grateful that whenever I upload video you watch it for me. I'm so grateful. Please do want to share the video to others so that they can subscribe to the channel, and also follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Lena, and our social media platforms, the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes everywhere. Okay, thank you. I will see you in the next one. You can't afford to miss it. It is going to be interesting video and then a recipe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.